Alright, I want to show you what comes in the box, what was sent to us, and what you would get if you ordered this same system here. Obviously you get some instruction manuals. You're going to get for us, we're going to get a new monitor. If this is your first system, well, then it'll be your first monitor. You will get one backup camera. So they sent us 2 of the Haloview signal boosters that could be installed underneath the RV or trailer to boost the signal up to the monitor. I'm not sure that we're going to need any of those, but we will see when that time comes. And we get some mounting hardware. This is just your typical mounts for the monitor. There's one that has the 3M sticker version, or is what I'm using is the suction cup mount. I will just continue using the same one I have. These are the actual sensors here. I'm going to leave those in their styrofoam for now. And we got some more wiring. You got your typical plug-in. This is the cigarette lighter for the monitor. If you have that, we use USB. Again, I'll just be using the same one. You got some wire clips and different things for wiring that back camera up. And some mounting hardware screws. You've got all the batteries that we're going to need for the TPMS sensors themselves. More mounting hardware for the rear camera. And some stuff here if you're going to use that sticky 3M tape to mount your monitor. We got some pairing cables. We got our antennas. So you're going to have one antenna for the camera. You're going to have a couple antennas for the monitor. And a few more cables. And that should be everything that's in the box.